Hi everyone, welcome back to Hari's Educational Academy. In this video, we are going to learn about phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are different kinds. Based on transitivity, they are two types. They are transitive and intransitive. Based on word order, they are two types. They are separable and inseparable. In this video, we are going to learn about what is meant by a phrasal verb and what are the different kinds of phrasal verbs like transitive, intransitive, separable, and inseparable. We are going to learn about all these four things with some examples. Let us see the definition of phrasal verb. A phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of a main verb together with an adverb or preposition or both. That means phrasal verb అనేది ఒక మెయిన్ వర్బ్ లేక యాడ్వర్బ్ లేక ప్రిపోజిషన్తో కూడిన వర్బ్ అని అర్థం. ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ phrasal verb is not obvious from the meaning of the individual words themselves. That means phrasal verbలో ఉండే ఇండివిజువల్ వర్డ్స్ యొక్క మీనింగ్ టోటల్ phrasal verb యొక్క మీనింగ్కి డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుంది. Let us see the meaning of a phrasal verb with a given example. The example is, she has always looked down on me. Now, let us see the meaning of the given phrasal verb. In this example, the phrasal verb look down on someone doesn't mean that you are looking down from a higher place at someone who is below you. It means that you think that you are better than someone. ఈ ఫ్రేజల్ వర్బ్లోని పదాలు రెండిటికి విడిగా మీనింగ్ చూసినప్పుడు లుకింగ్ డౌన్ కిందకి చూడడం అనే అర్థాన్ని ఇస్తుంది. ఈ రెండు పదాలని కలిపి ఒకే పదంగా మీనింగ్ చూసినప్పుడు యు ఆర్ బెటర్ దాన్ సమ్ వన్ అనే మీనింగ్ వస్తుంది. బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద ట్రాన్సిటివిటీ, ద ఫ్రేజల్ వర్బ్స్ కెన్ బి డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ two types. They are transitive phrasal verbs and intransitive phrasal verbs. Let us see the definition of transitive phrasal verb. The phrasal verbs which have an object are called transitive phrasal verbs. For example, they broke up the fight. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉండే ఫ్రేజల్ వర్బ్ని ట్రాన్సిటివ్ ఫ్రేజల్ వర్బ్స్ అంటారు. ఇచ్చిన ఎగ్జాంపుల్లో దే బ్రోక్ అప్ ద ఫైట్. ఈ ఫ్రేజల్ వర్బ్కి ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కలిగి ఉంది. ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఫర్ ద ఫ్రేజల్ వర్బ్ ఈజ్ ద ఫైట్. సో ఈ ఫ్రేజల్ వర్బ్ని ట్రాన్సిటివ్ ఫ్రేజల్ వర్బ్ అని అంటారు. ఇంట్రాన్సిటివ్ ఫ్రేజల్ వర్బ్. The phrasal verbs which have no object are called intransitive phrasal verbs. For example, they broke up 2 years ago. In this example, there is no object for the phrasal verb, so it is called intransitive phrasal verb. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ లేని ఫ్రేజల్ వర్బ్ని ఇంట్రాన్సిటివ్ ఫ్రేజల్ వర్బ్ అంటారు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, దే బ్రోక్ అప్ 2 years ago. ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్లో ఫ్రేజల్ వర్బ్ బ్రోకప్. ఈ ఫ్రేజల్ వర్బ్కి ఈ సెంటెన్స్లో ఆబ్జెక్ట్ లేదు, అందుకని ఈ ఫ్రేజల్ వర్బ్ని ఇంట్రాన్సిటివ్ ఫ్రేజల్ వర్బ్ అంటారు. బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద వర్డ్ ఆర్డర్, ఫ్రేజల్ వర్బ్స్ కెన్ బి divided into two types. They are separable phrasal verbs and inseparable phrasal verbs. Separable phrasal verbs. The verb and adverb elements which make up intransitive phrasal verbs are never separated. The object may come after the following phrasal verbs or it may separate the two parts. For example, they pulled the house down. Observe the example carefully. In this example, the given phrasal verb is pull it down. It is used as separable phrasal verb. The object, the house, is separating the two parts of a phrasal verb. So, it is a separable phrasal verb. Inseparable phrasal verbs. The part of the verb cannot be separated from the prepositions. For example, they called off this afternoon's meeting. In this example, the given phrasal verb is called off. It is not separated, so it is called as inseparable phrasal verb. Use the following phrasal verbs in your own sentences. In the examination, they will ask us the question like this and give some phrasal verbs and ask us to write own sentence. Let us see the phrasal verb. First one, look up. It means to show signs of improving. For example, things are certainly looking up now. The second phrasal verb is bring out. It means publish. Own sentence for the given phrasal verb bring out is they bring out their second novel in 2 days. Third phrasal verb is throw out. It means get rid of. For example, I threw trousers out a month ago. Fourth one, look out. It means be watchful or be aware. For example, look out, there is a snake coming towards us. Here is an activity. Let us see the question carefully. Look up the dictionary and pick out the phrasal verbs that begin with the following verbs and write down sentence using them. Hope all of you understood about thing. Here they have given us the list of the verbs. The thing we have to do is we have to make the phrasal verb with the given verb, and at the same time you need to write own sentence also. The first one is bring. It is a verb. The phrasal verb from the verb bring is bring in. Own sentence for the phrasal verb bring in is this factory brings in 30,000 rupees per month. The second verb is look. Phrasal verb is look on. Own sentence is I look on you as my brother. Third verb is rush. Phrasal verb is rush out. Own sentence for rush out is they rushed out the new product. Fourth one, keep. Phrasal verb is keep on. Own sentence is he should keep an eye on him. Fifth one is go. Phrasal verb is go on. Own sentence for the phrasal verb go on is please go on doing your work. The last verb is put. Phrasal verb is put out. Own sentence put out the fire quickly. Hope all of you understood how to make the phrasal verb from the given verbs. Hope all of you understood about phrasal verbs. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe my channel.